A very warm welcome to my channel. From today onwards, I would like to teach you, or rather, I will prepare you for the upcoming NTA NET examination. My subject of specialization is English literature, and I hope that this channel will be hopeful for all the aspirants, those who are preparing for the NET examination. Now, after this short info, I would like to tell you about the syllabus of NTA NET English. You see, our syllabus is divided into 10 units, and each unit is very special from the viewpoint of NET, as it covers nearly all the literatures written in English, and also we have a certain new addition in our syllabus, uh, and in the recent examinations we can see that how these topics have been extensively asked by the NTA experts. So far the new topics are concerned, they are cultural studies, then we have English in India. Especially I would like to tell that now there are two turns in English literature nowadays. The first turn is towards the eco-criticism, and the second turn is towards the cultural studies. So you can understand that why cultural studies is so important in our field. And to have an extensive knowledge about cultural studies, you should start from the beginning. See, cultural studies, we cannot say that it's limited within a particular area. No, it's not like that. Cultural studies, it covers nearly all the branches, all the theories, whatever criticism we have. So that's why the importance of cultural studies is vast. Thank you.